Step 1. Install the front camera. Turn on Z40 and decide on dashcam positioning following on-screen horizontal and vertical line. Clean spot thoroughly with some rubbing alcohol. Stick the electrostatic sticker on the windshield. Stick 3M tape mount on the electrostatic sticker. Insert the microSD card. Connect the rear dashcam cable. Step 2. Route the power cable. Tuck the power cable alongside the existing wires in the A-pillar. Use the trim tool to pry the headliner at the top of your windshield away from the glass. Route the power cable around the side and behind the rest of the interior panels, down towards the cigarette lighter. Plug the dashcam into your car's cigarette lighter. Step 3. Locate vehicle's fuse box and install IPS hardware kit. Warning: IPS hardware kit installation should be performed by a qualified individual or business only. Select the appropriate fuse tap according to your vehicle model. Consult car's manual for the location of the fuse box in your vehicle. Use a trim tool to pry your fuse box open. Use a multimeter to identify 12-volt constant power fuse and ACC. To find a constant power fuse, test the slot that 12-volt power is supplied even when the vehicle is turned off or the ignition key is off. To find an ACC fuse slot, test the slot that does not receive power when the ignition is off. Then, turn the ignition on and test the same slot again. Insert the hardware kit terminal into the fuse tab. Put the add a fuse back into the fuse slot. Last wire, in the shape of a ring or a C, will go into the metal ground bolt. Remove the bolt and add the ground lug from the installation kit. Tuck the hardware kit into the interior. After completing the wiring, cover the fuse box panel. Step 4. Install rear camera. Route the rear camera cable from the front camera down to the back of the car. Mount the rear camera in a proper location. Rear camera lens on the right. Otherwise, the recording will be upside down. Step 5. Test dashcam installation. Turn on Z40 dashcam. If everything was installed correctly, Z40 can begin recording.